Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Pontiac Firebird with a 400 V8 and a automatic transmission. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was a good looker. It looked like it was being restored at the time and had a few things that needed to be done to it yet, but still had the big block 400 engine in it, and with the Rally 2 wheels, and that was part of the first generation of the Firebird, which went from 1967 through 1969. And you can tell the 68 from the 67 because there's no vent windows on the 68 models versus the 67s. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 Coupe with a automatic transmission that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you could share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.